Hi, this is Nadia from LifterLMS, and in this video, I will discuss about LifterLMS preview management. So as an admin, when you are creating a course, you can see or you can experience the student's view, also the visitor's views as well, with the help of LifterLMS preview management. So this will help you to see how the website looks like and how the website's experience look like for your students and for your visitors. So we have three options here. You can see we have view as myself, view as visitor, and view as student. So view as myself, that means as admin, how my course will look. I can see how my course looks like for admin. If I click on view as visitors, that means now I will be able to see how the course looks for the visitors. You can see there is some content that's not available for visitors. So I can see that the public view is different from the myself view because I have restricted some content for publics. So from here, you can experience the visitors view of your course. And if you click on view as students, that means now you can experience the looks and experience the feel of your student part. That means as I'm enrolled in this course, so now I can feel the experience of my course as a student, as an enrolled student. So you can, as an admin, you can view each and every categories. Like if you can view as visitors, that how the website looks like. You can view as a students, that how your course looks like for students. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.